If you're ready to take your lifestyle from ordinary to extraordinary, you need Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
Good morning, all you traders out there, investors and people that are. Can you hear me okay, Emma and Giselle?
Yeah, yes, sir. I can hear you.
Fantastic. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are going to drop a little information about live trading once again today on the 3 pillars of wealth. And we are live. The stock market opened up just about 2 minutes ago, and you can see the trades in motion there. We've got a trade set that we are wanting to pop out there at 24.75 for a profit. It's already up $600, $700 from when we started this morning. What happened is that the market took this big giant downward slide on the bear side. We jumped in right here with the little blue arrow, knowing that it was going to go back up, and we've been riding it ever since. So we're waiting for that to go ahead and trade as it trades upward toward the $2,475 mark. We caught the market at just the right time today, so I feel like it's going to go ahead and accomplish that. While we're looking at that, we're going to get some more information. We have some new commercials out this morning, some new information about our new programs, and I want to share that. So let's see what's going on with our new program.
Best possible program within their 3 pillars of wealth program. Starting with the AI Dispute Beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm. So you risk none of your own money but use 50K or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And once again, we are back. We are excited to bring the 3 pillars of wealth to you today. 3 pillars of wealth constitute credit mastery, smart investing, and financial education. Miss Emma, if you would, take us away and tell us a little bit about those 3 different programs that are available. I'll give you the center stage.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone from the call center here in the Philippines. Elite Credit Investment Advisor. Again, we're happy and blessed to be part of your
That's fantastic. Have I sent you anything on it yet?
morning here. Okay, so we have the 3 pillars of wealth program that we can offer to those interested. We have first the credit mastery program. So if you guys need some help, ideas, learnings on how to boost your credit score, personal and business, or if you need to set up your business credit score, we can also help you set up your business if you're planning to get your own business if you're a first timer to start in business. So we also set up business name, EIN, Dance and Brad, as well as we also help on how to set up your phone and website. So just inform us, contact us anytime for our credit mastery program. Anyway, it's very affordable. You can start for only $97, but the whole program is $497. So it's not that bad. It's just very affordable to enroll with us. Plus, the learning is priceless, and we'll be assisting you with our live trainings with our phone support, with digital resources that you can help in learning. Plus, you can always ask us to give you slot for the one-on-one training. So that's our credit mastery. We have affiliation with an AI software that would help you monitor your credit score. That is the dispute based with Mike, the guy who is very expert on the credit score. So again, we also have the second program, which is our smart investing that we show every morning on how to practice into trading. We have the Ninja Trader that we always use every day for the paper trade. So if you're interested to learn, get into trading with no rest at all, just purely paper trade, you can contact me anytime again on our toll free number, flash on screen, or you can also comment on our Facebook page, channel, YouTube channel, ask questions about that program, and we'll be happy to assist you. So the same thing, it's $97 for your first month of learning, and if you wanna be more um, to master more on that smart investing program, you can enroll the full course for 3 months. That is only 497. So lastly, we have our financial education program. If you need some advice from experts or learnings how to get into business financial learnings, so just contact us with the same phone number. So the same thing, it's very affordable, $97. So it's just very, you know, very affordable to get enrolled, subscribe with us, and yeah, try to feel free to contact us anytime and try to enroll with our program, and we can assure you that all the trainings, live trainings, one-on-one mentorship will be beneficial on your end. So stop, I mean, start learning and open your dreams and get a new opportunity to build your future. So stay tuned with us for our live trading, paper trading. Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and get one of these real quick commercials in here. Hold on.
Marketing your business and keeping up with AI tools shouldn't be this hard. That's why there's Lev AI, the all-in-one customer growth system built for entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, small business owners, and many others. From the start, Lev AI learns your brand and voice. Need a post right now? My AI Social gives you platform-ready content, comments, and DMs that sound just like you and speaks to your audience. Want your message everywhere? With My AI Video, you can create an AI twin that looks and sounds like you, or select an avatar to deliver your script in nearly any language. Need a website today? My Web spins up a branded site. Copy, images, SEO, ready in minutes. With My Network, add contacts by screenshot. Lev AI enhances each contact you add and creates a personality profile, then suggests what to say next and tracks follow-ups. It also reminds you when to reach out. And with My Prospects, find new prospects, filter by location or role, and know exactly how to approach them. Not sure how to reply to a prospect? Help Me Reply keeps conversations moving and wins you more customers. With Lev AI, you show up, stay consistent, and grow without an expensive agency or a dozen tools. Ready to
has the
Sorry about that, guys. Got my wrong video loaded up. I had a brand new video to show this morning, and I clicked the button, so we might as well watch it.
within their 3 pillars of wealth program. Starting with the AI dispute beast system, we repair and replace your personal credit. Next, we use the latest in program for business credit building and advertising, leverage AI. Finally, we study the stock market with a prop firm. So you risk none of your own money but use 50K or more to trade and make a commission. Call 1-877-877-587-4540 to get started now and start making money now.
And we're back. So long story short, we do three things that a lot of people don't do. We have the state-of-the-art AI with the dispute beast and the personal credit repair. If you got a 4, 5, 6, or even a 7 in your credit repair, you and I both know how important it is to get that repaired. We've got something for you to get started. And the way it works, the way all of our program works is very, very easy. Our program is $97 a month. Somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 goes to the affiliate company that we're working with. Somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 goes to us for being your live on the spot training officials. So it's just real simple to figure out. We got about a 50-50 split between live human beings interacting and AI technology. If you're the kind that wants to handle everything on their own, we can certainly sign you up. Make sure you get everything on time and that you're supposed to get. If you're the kind that needs somebody to be here daily to answer the phone and make sure that you get all of the I's dotted and T's crossed, then we've got that. So you're looking at $97 a month. That's less than most people spend for a coffee a day, and you're going to completely repair or replace your credit. The second thing with Leverage AI is building the credit and building business credit on your EIN only, like Miss Emma mentioned, and we do that with Leverage AI. In addition, Leverage AI also, in addition to building your own business, has some of the most state-of-the-art, amazing AI-backed items that you can possibly, they're completely brand new. For example, one of them does a twin mirror imaging that allows you to speak 150 different languages. So you set your script for your product, whatever it is that you're working on. For example, ours will naturally be the 3 pillars of wealth. I personally will make a video looking into the camera. You can go from just your favorite photo, by the way. So I might have to back off about 15, 20 years, get one of my favorite photos where I look a little younger, more suave, you know what I'm saying? And then the AI will take that and they'll put you into 150 different languages with different backgrounds and present that. So all of your commercials that come out from that point on is literally you speaking about your commercial, about your product. But even better than that, it's a living, breathing, AI generated persona, so that when someone asks questions or puts in the chat that they're asking about the business or anything like that, you answer them back live in person. So it's fantastic technology. And finally, explaining a little bit about what a prop firm is and what can be done with a prop firm. A prop firm is real simply a company that gives you the money to trade the stock market and allows you to make a commission for no cash out of your pocket, but instead for passing a challenge. We deal with top 1 prop firm right at this point, and they will allow you to come on and answer a few questions in their challenge, and then they'll give you 50, 100, 150K, up to $250,000 simply for demonstrating that you know how to trade, okay? So with that, let me go ahead and get started over here. We are live every day, right here where you can see us, trading stocks on the Practice Trading View platform that we will give you upon enrolling in any of our programs. So take a close look. This is a live market. The market's really crazy today. It's all over the place. I hate to say it, but it is live and popping. So let me just transfer this over where you can get a little better shot, and we will trade on it. So what I've done, I have, let's see, we'll go ahead and kill that so you can see the screen. Trade it. There we go. All right, so coming in earlier today, before the market opened, I could see it was going to be a wild and woolly situation, so to speak. So I started trading right down here where this blue arrow was, and I already built up over $1,000. I always start with a $500 account because that's kind of our theme. You know, we start low and we build up. And what we're doing now, we're seeing that right about here, this is the 8:30 when the market opened. You could see it jump all the way up to here. Then it made this huge downfall, which is fine. We don't really mind it going up or down. We don't care, as long as it's doing it dramatically. We want it to be a dramatic up or dramatic down, because currently we're in a perfect position right here to do ourselves a dramatic buy. So what we will do is we will get this thing live here. Trying to get my little trading buttons to work with me here a little bit. But too many screens to keep up with lately. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. That's what I'm after. I have to be able to see the trade on the screen. So what we've got is we've got about $847 in profit that I made earlier today by trading. We're going to go ahead and click our trade button. All right, and we're going to get in here. And since we have $1,800, we can get 18 units. It's about 10%. We're going to click our take profit and our stop loss. Everybody already knows how many ticks we're going to have, 25 and 25. We're going to buy in. Whoa, that was fast. All right, let's try that again. Made money that fast. All right, so once again, we're going to leave those. We use 18 units. We're going to go 19 units. We just made $100 that fast. So we're going to go 19 units. We're going to do take profit, stop loss, 25 ticks, because that's the way I rock. That 25 ticks is the entry level that I choose to use when I'm doing my buy-ins on the plus side. So we're going to buy in on the plus side. We're going to take that take profit up to, let's leave it about $500. All right. We're going to confirm that. We're going to pull our stop loss down just a little so it doesn't stop out on us. And we're going to watch that. It's climbing from 275. It's making a little gradual climb. It's kind of flirting around there, up and down. And we're just going to let that be for a minute. 300, 370. So boom, $500. There you go. So we started at, I started this morning off around $1,000. So now $1,412 is what we have made on the TradingView platform for the day. Now, just to make it fair, so that everybody can see that it's fair, I'm going to go ahead and start the account back over at a fresh, brand new. How much am I going to start it with, Emma?
Can we start 10K?
Yeah, we can start 10K. Do you want to start with 10K? You want to start with $500 like we always do?
Okay, yeah, we can do 500.
Of course, we can start with 10K naturally. That's too easy. I don't want people to think that they have to have 10K to start. So with $500, the most units you can buy are 5, because you have to have $100 per unit in leverage. So we click our take profit and our stop loss, and we know we need 25 ticks of each one of those. So we put our 25 ticks in, fresh, brand new account. We click our buy, and we're buying because it's a long account. We want our profit to be $100. So if you're on the $100 level, there you go. Confirm that. You've got to get to it a little faster. 4 unit. I didn't get to it fast enough, and it stopped out on me because it dropped down below my minimum. So this time I put in 4 units because I got $419 left. I'm going to go with, you got to be quick. The only thing is, when you have little money like $500, you got to be quick because your margins are little. 25. We're watching for the buy signal right there. Right now it's down trending just a little, but that's okay. We'll let it down 10. There we go. There's a buy-in. We take the stop loss down to here so it can't stop us out. That's what happened last time. We take the 50 up to $100 profit. And now let's just watch it for a few minutes. And it's gonna tease us a little bit. It's gonna go back and forth on that blue line like it always does. But then it's gonna head up there and give us $102 profit off of 500, and that should put us where we can trade upwards a little bit more. So while that's percolating, I do want to show you a couple of things. With the new program, when I locate them, let's see if I can locate them down here. My program here. QR. Here we go. All right. I want to talk a little bit about how the stock trading actually works. Going to go to our image files. So here we are once again. We'll explain this. $20 a day, a hobby. You're going to make $20 a day. That's $5,000 a year. A side hustle, $100 a day. I try to never trade for less than $100 a day. I want, at the end of the week, I want it to be a $500 profit week, and I can actually set it and leave it at a $500 account and make $100 a day. So the next is $500 a day. We really want to shoot for that $500 a day. That gives you $2,500 a week, which is $126,000 a year, and then it goes up from there. When you get 500 down, you can move up to 1,000, 2,500, and 5,000. So let's go back to our trade, see where we're doing, what we're doing. Let's go ahead and get this one off. Let's look at our trade. Where are we at? Oh, what? Okay, it made a profit. So now we're at $523. It had popped in while I was running my mount. So let me go ahead. So now that we have $523, we can buy how many units, Giselle? How many units can we buy for that?
Can we do like 10?
No, we need $100 for each unit. So the most we can do at this point is 5 units because we've got $523. Because that's the leverage. We have to have 100 in escrow for leverage. Then we click our take profit and our stop loss. And how many ticks, Miss Emma? How many ticks am I going to put in there?
25.
25. That's where we start. Every trade starts at 25 ticks. And I'm only saying that for now because we're doing a buy. We're going to move that stop loss down to here only because we don't want it to stop us out before we make a profit. We want a $100 profit. So let's go right in there. There. Boom. Did it make it? It did. Now we're at $606. See that profit right there?
Yeah.
All right. So Miss Giselle, this pop quiz, how many units am I going to buy now? I got $600 now.
I guess we can do like 7.
We can only do 6 because we need $100 in leverage. Yeah. There you go. There you go. That's what we're here for. That's why we're learning live. We learn live together. All right, 25 ticks. 25 ticks. I'm getting ready to do my buy. I'm going to go ahead and buy in. I'm going to pull that stop loss down. Only pulling the stop loss down during the live training. I wouldn't do that in real life. I'm going to set the profit at $150 this time. I'm going to watch that just a minute. So $147. So it's going to work its way up there and make us a profit. We're going to watch just a minute. Now, what we did when we increased the units to 6, we made the ability to make profit faster because there's more units. We are now risking $75, which means that 150 is going to come to us a lot quicker on automatic. There'll be less space between the trade. So that's what we're after. We're after the least amount of time on the trading board as we can get. All right, so this should give us just a few seconds. It's going to trade up and down, and then it should shoot up there, hit the 147, give us the profit. And when it does, we'll pop down here. If we've got 700 in our trading bank, then we will put 7 units in, and we'll go from there. I can see the negative numbers declining. I can see them slowly working toward the green. You see where that's happening right here? There it is. We're at a +6. All right, so it's going to flirt around a little bit. But we got to have patience. But we do know, we are fairly confident, and we do know that that market is going to continue to rise. Let me go ahead and hit this. Let's see what we get an overall view. Yeah, we want that to continue to go up. So we're going to leave it because it is a bull market, so we're fairly confident it's going to go ahead and go up. So while it's doing that, let me see what else I've got in my video image. All right, what I've got is this chart. We'll let that chart for just a minute. So this is what we were talking about. 1 unit, you risk 25. 2 units, 50. They go up. 5 units. 5 units is the most you can do at a $500 trading account. But you can do 10 units if you have $1,000. 15 units, 25 units, 50 units, and however many units that you buy. Those are also called contracts. And that tells you how quickly that you can earn that next little bit of money. So It's trading live right here. We got in here. We made a good profit up to here. And we're going to let it bounce back and forth a little bit. At any point that we decide to jump out, we could jump out and we could restart. But I'm fairly sure that it's going to go ahead, take a few seconds and shoot back up there, or else I'd just jump out. So we see the negative. The red numbers are going back and forth. As long as they're under 100 and continuing to trade upward, I'm confident that it's going to go upward to that green. So now we're in the green. Slowly in the green, but we're making a profit. And we will, let's come on over and click our sell button and stand by right here. Just in case we want to pop out, we can pop out and start over at any given time. But our goal is to let it switch. So there's a plus green, $24. There we go. So as much as it's vacillating back and forth, I'm still fairly confident that it's going to shoot up there and hit that 147. All right, so 27 and 18. See where it's kind of fluctuating right there? What we're doing is we're hoping it's going to go back to where it started, which is the top of that red and green candle. 33, $60, 69, 81. You can see it climb up, 87, 72. It's flirting back and forth there a little bit, 78, 66. $99, 84. 99 was pretty close. It's thinking about it. 93. Another 99. We're waiting for that 147. At no real reason for the 147. It was just a good bam.
Wow.
There we go. So we made another profit. So we made steady profit today. A complete $253 for the day. $753 in our account. So we're going to go back to Pop Quiz Giselle again. Okay, Giselle, I've got $753. How many units am I going to put in here?
Now we can take 7 units.
7 units max, exactly. She gets a gold star for today. Take profit, stop loss. All right, Pop Quiz for Emma. Emma, how many ticks am I going to put in?
50, sir.
Ticks. These are ticks. Stop
20,
loss.
25.
25 every time. And I usually put in 25 ticks up until I'm trading $1,000 account.
Yeah.
Just so everybody knows. We're going to go to the buy. We're going to go ahead and buy in. We're bought in. I'm going to take the stop loss down a little bit. About here. Confirm. Oh, did I make money when I wasn't looking? I did. All right, let's try it again. Back to the trade. All right. 5. Okay, let's get on back in here. What's going on with my trade? Let's see here. My trading software. Need to confirm. I got an open confirm somewhere I got to find. Let's see. Where did it go? Let's see. Would you be able to see that? Let me spin it, see if I can see it. There it is. I knew there was a confirm somewhere I couldn't find. If you get hung up in the middle of a sell or a buy or something, it'll do that to you every time. All right, so let's see, market, 7 units, take profit, stop loss, get all that there. Trying to get our 25 ticks in. Yeah, 25. I'm trying to do a buy. Oh, there we go. Let's go ahead and close that position. It shows that we just made $112 there. Did you see that? So 749 now is what we've got. All right, so we're going to go back into the buy order, take profit, stop loss, we're buying in. There we go. Bring that down to here. Confirm that. Raise that $77. Trying to get all of this minutia taken care of here. Wow, $826. All right, let me move that back. It's trading so fast I can't keep up with it. So we currently have $826 in the account. So we're going to go up to 8 units. That's a $100 risk. Take profit. 25 ticks. Stop loss, 25 ticks. We got to make sure that's what they have on them though. 25, good. And we're making sure that we've got good buy signals up here. Right now that it's showing that red candle come down, we're going to let it come down just a second, then we're going to buy it, okay? It could also be a retracement of the red candle. That's a retracement, we'll take that. We'll come down here, confirm that. Going to raise our profit to about there, confirm that. All right. All right. While we're waiting for that to trade, we'll take another look at one of our informations. If anybody has any questions, don't hesitate to call the 877 number listed. You can do $500 a day trading the futures with us, 877-587-4540. And we'll be right back with some more information. Let's go ahead and get one of our videos on file here.
Marketing your business and keeping up with AI tools shouldn't be this hard. That's why there's Lev AI, the all-in-one customer growth system built for entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, small business owners, and many others. From the start, Lev AI learns your brand and voice. Need a post right now? My AI Social gives you platform-ready content, comments, and DMs that sound just like you and speaks to your audience. Want your message everywhere? With My AI Video, you can create an AI twin that looks and sounds like you, or select an avatar to deliver your script in nearly any language. Need a website today? My Web spins up a branded site. Copy, images, SEO, ready in minutes. With My Network, add contacts by screenshot. Lev AI enhances each contact you add and creates a personality profile, then suggests what to say next and tracks follow-ups. It also reminds you when to reach out. And with My Prospects, find new prospects, filter by location or role, and know exactly how to approach them. Not sure how to reply to a prospect? Help Me Reply keeps conversations moving and wins you more customers. With Lev AI, you show up, stay consistent, and grow without an expensive agency or a dozen tools. Ready to make AI marketing simple? Join as a member to use Lev AI for your business. Want to earn by sharing Lev AI? Become a partner. Get Lev AI.
All right, one more.
AI robots. Here at Tickeron, our goal is to help regular, everyday traders compete with and even outperform hedge funds and professional traders. So, if you do not want to miss any of our videos that help you find the best trades, click the subscribe button. Now, let's get to the AI robots. Our AI robots make trades in real time, and as you can see, their performance is pretty strong. You can join these robots and follow their trades live. Buy when they buy, sell when they sell, profit when they profit. We realize that traders want to see results, and here at Tickeron, our proprietary artificial intelligence provides results. From the Tickeron homepage, all you have to do is click on AI robots. Here, you can choose which robots to follow. Each group shows you the annualized return, the average number of trades, and how long this robot has been trading. It also shows the profit loss or P&L for both open and closed trades at any given time, so you can make sure the robots are successful. Choose the robots that fit your trading strategy based on the amount of trades they make daily. only follow the trades you like. You can even try paper trading along with the robots using Tickeron's paper trade feature, so you're confident in the robot's performance before you follow them into real trades. Buy one robot and you get a free $60 a month in credit to get other products. Buy two robots and you get $100 a month for free in credit to get other products. If you buy 3 robots, then in addition to $120 a month in credit, you get access to all of the other robots for free. Stop buying high and selling low. Start making trades that count. Click the link in the description and try trading with AI robots today. Only with Tickeron.
And we're back. So in essence, you've seen with Dispute Beast that we have live human interaction to help you day by day with your credit building skills. We can show you in person what emails to send, what type of thing to do to build your credit quick, fast, and easy. Then you've got the AI Dispute Beast where you just click the button and let them do everything for you. Same thing with Leverage AI, build your business credit on an EIN, not your social. 50, 100,000, 150, $200,000 worth of credit built on your business with no doc. You don't have to prove the business is making money or anything like that. It's no doc business credit. And we have the Leverage AI to help you do that. And finally, Tickeron. Tickeron is a group of AI robots that trade the stock market like we're doing manually right now. We are physically showing you all of our tips and tricks and secrets of how to trade, when to trade, what to trade. And if you prefer the silent anonymity of sitting at home and clicking the buttons and letting the AI robots trade for you, you can do that. All of this included for the same low price of $97 a month. And if you think about it, take that math at $97 a month and just do it real quick. Say, divide that 97, get my little handy calculator out here. So let's see, clearly it's not that handy. Divide that 97 by 252 trading days in a year, I guess you could do. Let's see. We have I bet we have a built-in calculator here. Just look at your value. All right. Let me go ahead and share my screen there. This might be a fun thing to do. All right, so we've got an old calculator pulled up here. Can you guys see the calculator? There it is. All right. So we're going to take that $97 per month. Let's just divide it by 30 for the month. So you're looking at $3 a day, okay? $3 a day to increase your personal credit, repair and replace your personal credit, build your business credit, trade with confidence, all of these wonderful things that we got going on. And you just can't hardly beat it. We're going to flip back over here to the live trade just for a minute, and we're going to jump back in. I'm going to start this. This account currently has $839. So we can trade 8 units. We're going to put 8 in the units that we want to trade. We're going to click a buy section because we want buy. We want to click take profit, stop loss. We want to put our 25 ticks in there, 25 ticks over here. Let's go ahead and jump in on the buy side. And that's got us in on the buy side. We'll pull that down just a little. We would never do that in real life. To speak of, well, let's say never. You could. All right, we'll back that out, and now we're watching it. We're in on the long side of the trade, and we are hoping that it's going to go from here right up there to that 128 cash out, which it definitely will because it's a long trade. Now, there's 3 ways you can handle this. You can do scalping. If we were doing scalping, I would jump in there and I would switch it from where it is right now. I would switch it like this. I'd click this button, I'd reverse position. All right, and what that will do is that'll trade me from a long position to a short. All right, and then I'd start making money immediately, but I'd lose my investment. So instead of doing that, We're just going to wait it out just a few seconds and see if it doesn't decide to stop going down and jump back up there and make us a profit, which was does most of the time. The second thing you can do is just to literally have your positions marked clearly and set them and forget them, like the George Foreman grill. We're waiting for $128 profit. We jumped in for an 8-unit risk of a little over $100, and we're going to wait to see if that goes where we want it to go. And then, of course, finally, you can click your sell button. See how it's starting to click 132, 130. We'll wait just till it gets a little bit even here. When it gets even, or somewhere, wherever you're going to consider an acceptable loss. So when it gets to what you can consider as acceptable loss, you jump out, you jump back in on the sell side, put in your units. Since it's trying to trend down, if you want to stay active and stay in the trade, you just jump in the direction that it's going. All right, put your profit down here. Confirm that, get that up there. Now you're going to watch, it's red right now, and it's trending, trying to recover right there. Those negative numbers will turn to green, and then when they turn to green, you know what that means. That's turning into profit, and then they'll crash down into profit. So I'm going to wait just a few seconds and see what it decides to do. 17.50, 5. It's headed toward a profit. And because it's in a free fall, it will probably bust through that line and then head quite a ways toward the profit making in the green. And that's, if you got to decide whether you're going to do a short or a long. Right there is a short profit signal for, it's right now it's 17.50. It's turning green. When it turns green, it'll be a profit signal for the short. And if it does retrace like it's trying to now, that'll tell us we can jump back out, jump back in long, and go back up. So what we're doing right now is trying to ride with it to decide which direction it really wants to go. Does it want to retrace and go up for a win? Or does it want to continue down and give us a profit at the 575 down here? What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that 572, I'm going to raise it up a little bit. Make it tempting right here at about 200 mark. All right, so it doesn't have very far to fall for a $200 profit. Then I'm going to watch it. So 25, 15, back and forth, 62.50, $90. See that $90 pop up there? 72, 47.50. I'm going to jump on out there and take that profit. Then I'm going to click. So that's 585. So we're going to click take profit, stop loss. We're going to get ourselves a little 25 tick right there. Come on up, get another little 25 tick. And we're going to watch it set candles all over the map. We want to be on the buy side, though. We know it's going up. We know that it's trying to trend back up. We just want to catch it at the right moment. So if it gives us a real solid retracement, we'll take it. And if it doesn't, then we'll wait just a minute before we buy in. And you can see right here, you can see that this downward candle was long, then we climbed back up, then we just trended over here, went up, downward long, trend back up, downward long. It's time to trend back up. So let's go ahead and buy and just pretend like we know what we're doing for a minute and that we know that it's going to trend back up. Let's set that trend at the top of that candle, which is $297, right? Something like that. Did that go up there? That didn't move. Right there, confirm. Yeah, that should work. All right, so 25 to the green, 60 to the green, 45. Watching it head toward the green. 67.50, 70. We can jump out anytime we wanted to grab that $60 or whatever, but we can also just watch it for a second. One of the most exciting things to me, one of my favorite things to do, is watch it zoom up when it gets ready to zoom. Zoom up there and tag and make a profit. There's nothing like it. 42.50, 40, 70, 67, 60, 77. I like to see it cross 100. And we can do this all day. We can scalp, grab a position, grab a few units, and scalp it. Now, since it's trying to trend the other direction, I'm just going to jump out. This is at the point right here when it really can't make up its mind, when I would get out for the day. I would just get out for the day. I'd have made enough money for the day. I'd get out and I would trade tomorrow or later tonight when it mellowed out, something like that. But I just went into a short position there just to see what it's going to do. I'm going to watch this one more trade and then we'll jump off. We've been on about 45 minutes. We like to keep it between 30 and 45 minutes for you guys, those of you that follow us, so you can see the information that we're putting out. But we also don't want to get redundant and boring. So we're looking at the short side right now, trying to retrace and go back to the long. It's almost predictable, right? As soon as we get in, it likes to flip and go the other way. It's almost like when we click our buttons, we make it go the other way. So I'm not really concerned too much about it. I feel like it's going to go. Let's go ahead and do a reversal right there. We reverse positions on them. We'll let that go in. Let me go ahead and close that out. Now it's got to take a minute to decide which way it wants to go. Look at our buttons there. When it's faded like that, there we go. When it's faded out like that, it's trying to decide where it's wanting to go. There we go. All right. Okay, we'll pop on off for today then. Did have one more commercial I think I wanted to play, a newer one. Let's see here. See if I can find it. Definitely got to play our disclaimer. I might have forgotten to play our disclaimer today.
Provided by Elite Consultants USA LLC is for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do not offer financial, legal, or investment advice. Any credit building or stock market strategies discussed are examples for learning only and should not be seen as guarantees of results or earnings. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making financial decisions.
Always got to play our disclaimer. Got to make that happen. Ms. Giselle, you've got the floor. Tell us anything that you might have on your mind today. We'd love to hear it. Fill us in.
Yes, hello everyone. Good morning. So it was quite a good learning of the trade that we just had. So I just want to invite everyone to try us at Credit and Investment advisors. We have, as what Emma said and what Sir Cameron just said earlier, we have 3 pillars of wealth, and we have 3 like sites or areas that we can help you with. So of course, in terms of your wealth, in terms of your finances, in terms of your money, and in terms of you learning or wanting to learn about a trade industry, we are open, and we are welcoming you to our family and also to our company. And I just want to remind everyone that today that I'm just gonna give some quick reminders that you are not as far as you think that you are. So just challenging everyone, inviting everyone to come and try us, and then that you'll realize that everything's gonna be worth it with us. So good morning, everyone. Have a good day ahead of you.
All right, following that, we've got Miss Emma. Miss Emma, tell us the secrets of the universe.
Okay, well, the secret is you have to contact us so that you can start your journey with Elite Credit and Investment Advisor and start enrolling with our 3 programs. And especially, please do try to enroll with our new software, Leverage AI. There is a link that you can sign up on our Facebook page. Just click the link and put your information so that you will be able to join the team. And also, please do contact me every day from 9 in the morning till 5 to 6 p.m. That would be Eastern time. If you need meeting with us if you want to get a onboarding on Zoom with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. So please feel free to call me or comment on our pages. And God bless everyone. Please don't stop learning. Every day is a learning process to build the future that you are dreaming.
All right. Thank you much. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Feeling stuck in your financial journey? Let's unlock the path to wealth with Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Welcome to the 3 Pillars of Wealth. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe in empowering you with credit mastery, smart investing, and top-notch financial education. Tune in to Rincon Rocks Radio daily at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 7 p.m. for powerful tips and proven techniques that will transform your financial future. From boosting your credit score with our Dispute Beast tool, to mastering the stock market with TradingView, and even building an AI-powered business. Catch us live or watch replays on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Visit EliteCreditInvestmentAdvisors.com or call 1-939-739-4045 for your free strategy session. Live wealthy now. #3 Pillars of Wealth. #Elite Advisors. #Rincon Rocks Radio.